Welcome again to my channel. Today we are going to install Ubuntu in our computer. We're also going to see how we can manually partition our hard drive using Linux or using Ubuntu. So stay tuned as we begin. As usual, we shall start our machine and then immediately begin pressing F9 to access our boot menu. It's the same for any operating system that you desire to use. My computer supports Legacy, so just come and choose Legacy and then wait for it to load. There we go. So our Linux or our Ubuntu is beginning to load. Okay, there we go. So you can press Ctrl+C to cancel the file check. Sometimes it takes long to check the hard drive, so then now you can wait for it to load. Okay, so that's how Ubuntu displays. So it is welcoming us to this first stage of our installation. So right here you're going to say install Ubuntu. You choose the language English, just say install Ubuntu. Okay, the keyboard layout I prefer to use English US. I'm compatible with that. Just say continue. Do you want to use internet? No, just say continue. Okay, you want to know more installation? Yeah, continue. Okay, so this computer currently has Windows 10 on it and Ubuntu on it. They're asking us, what would you like to do? You want to erase Ubuntu and reinstall it? You want to erase the disk and install? Now I want us to try using something else, or just do something else, because with something else you can create or resize partitions yourself, and that's the major reason we're doing this video. So let's try that. Continue. So currently we have this partition here has Windows, this partition here has Ubuntu, but I want to do everything afresh. So all you do is right click on that partition that you want to delete, then delete it. Okay, go to the next one, right click and delete it. You go to the next one, you right click and delete, and then finally go to the last one, you right click and delete. Okay, so we now have this drive, but we would like to partition our drive manually. So all you do is select the drive and then you can right click and then say add. Now where we shall install our Linux operating system, we shall let's give it maybe 50,000 for the storage, for the operating system. Now under here we have some file systems. We shall use ext4 for our operating system, but under the mount point we shall choose root. So this root is where we shall install our operating system. So that's all you have to do for the first partition. So okay, now the remaining space here, we want to create another partition, so just click on it and say add. Let's give this one maybe 70,000. Now 70,000 is equivalent to 70 GB. Now this will leave the file journaling, the ext4 file journaling system as it is, but under mount point let's give this home. Now this home is equivalent to your local disk D in your Windows operating system. this is where we back up our files. So all you do is say okay. So then this last space down here, also right click and say add. Now this time round, my machine has 8 GB RAM, so this one I will leave it as 8 GB, which is around 8036. But under file journaling system, under X4 journaling system, we shall make this our swap area. So the swap area is always equivalent to your RAM for use, so you can choose to make it the same size as your RAM as installation. So this is our swap area. All you have to say is okay. So as soon as you're done with that, everything is done. So you go ahead and choose your root here. This is where we shall install operating system, and just say install. So that's all. And then here accept the changes. Choose the city where you are, or the location where you are. Okay, and then Kampala. Okay, so continue. Your name, I'm just a user. Okay, and choose the password. This would be student. Here, student. So continue. And so the files will load and everything will be complete. So that's all it takes to install Ubuntu, and also all it takes to partition your hard drive manually. So thank you for watching. The remaining part is that it's going to complete for you the whole thing, and then it will restart, then you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Till then, stay tuned.